At this juncture, it is my honor to introduce to you our troop information and education speaker for today's flag raising ceremony. Our troop and information speaker is a decorated and respected member of the Bureau of Fire Protection within over 2 decades of unwavering dedication to save lives and protecting properties. He began his journey as Fire Officer 1 on August 16, 1999, with deep passion for the public service. Throughout his career, rising through the ranks from a non-commissioned fire officer to a distinguished commissioned fire officer of the agency. He is currently assigned at Bulwa Fire Station, Cagayan de Oro Fire District as Station Commander. He became known for his strategic thinking, commitment to fire safety, and unshakable resolve in high-pressure situations. Known for his humility, integrity, and relentless dedication, he continues to inspire a new generation of firefighters. As such, his legacy is not only measured in the fire service, but also in the basketball court. Known for his three-point skills and leadership on court, and one of the best players here in BFP Region 10, inspiring his colleagues to live a fit and a healthy lifestyle. Without further ado, please help me welcome our distinguished troop and information speaker, a friend to many, a true leader on and off the court, and a family man, Fire Inspector Benny G. Haujan. Sir, a round of applause, please.
Thank you, Mr. MC. Kahilak man sa akong introduction. With due respect to our active and supportive Regional Director, Fire Chief Superintendent Romil E. Traducer, a former commandant way back 2001 at NFTI, Canlubang, Laguna. That time, nag-basic me dito, no? Bless kayo ang mga Bisaya kay palangga kay ni Sir kay ang among take life nasa barracks. Butan kay si Sir. Sir, to our ARDA, Fire Senior Superintendent Alan A. Cabot, sir. Looking good, looking young. To our ARDO, Fire Senior Superintendent Romil A. Villaporte, sir. Our RCS, Fire Senior Superintendent Richie A. Pabri, sir. A serious man of regional headquarters. And of course, Fire Superintendent Ruel Bacasnot, sir. Other officers, NUP, fellow firefighters, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Actually, ganinang buntag nalipay ko nga medyo nilundong. Abi na kong muulan. But na-review na ko ang memo regarding sa speaker. Nakabutang manday dito nga in the event if the flag raising is suspended, the assigned speaker will be assumed succeeding week. So ako lang yapon, so mas maayo nga wala nagid mag-ulan. Anyway, my topic for today's Monday flag raising is all about summer. My title of my topic is Safe Summer is Steady Service. As we enter the peak of summer and the dry season continues, let us remind ourselves of two important things, which is safety and service. For many people, the month of April and May is a vacation time. A chance to relax, bond with family, or take a short break from work. But as fire servants, public servants, especially in fire service, wala tay bakasyon sa responsibilidad. In fact, during this hot and dry season, our presence become more important. Not just as responders, but as educators in the community. So how do we educate the public? We conduct house-to-house information drives. We do fire safety inspections and give real-time reminders. We go to schools, barangays, to share practical tips. We remind people to avoid open burning, to check electrical wirings, to store flammable items properly, and to stay alert for potential fire hazards. Simple acts can save lives. Prevention starts with information. And every time we engage the community, we are helping stop an emergency before it happens. Pero ato sang hinumduman, no? We cannot pour from an empty cup while we serve. Let us not forget to take care of ourselves too. Stay hydrated, get enough rest, check on your mental and physical well-being. We can't protect others if we don't protect ourselves. Yes, summer is hot. Grabe gyud ang kainit karon. Pero ayaw tuguti nga mawala ang imong motivasyon o imong kadasig. Let your passion for service burn brighter than the sun. Padayon ta sa pagserbisyo. Stay alert, stay committed, stay safe. Thank you, and may we all have a safe, productive, a meaningful week ahead of us. Once again, good morning.
Thank you so much, sir, for that inspiring message. At this point, may we call in our Regional Director, Fire Chief Superintendent Romel C. Trajo, sir, to give the certificate of appreciation to our speaker, to be assisted by our Assistant Regional Director for Administration, Fire Senior Superintendent Alan A. Cabot, sir. Citation reads, Medalya ng papuri is hereby conferred to Fire Inspector Benny G. Haujan, Station Commander, Station 7, Bulwa Fire Station, Cagayan de Oro Fire District, BFP Region 10, for his insightful contribution and commendable performance as the Troop Information and Education Speaker during the traditional Monday flag raising ceremony held on April 28, 2025 at the BFP Regional Office 10. Such display of dedication and commitment served to inspire and motivate others, contributing to the achievement of the BFP's mandate and programs, thereby worthy of recognition and emulation. Given this 28th day of April 2025 at the Office of Regional Director, BFP 10, Gumamela Extension, Carmen, Cagayan de Oro City. Signed, Romel C. Trajo, Fire Chief Superintendent, BFP Regional Director.